Hello, this is Jamie from Creations Misfit, and today I wanted to just show you quickly how easy the houndstooth pattern is. I'm working on a couple of projects right now that have it, so I figured I would just jump on and show you how to do it really quick. This is a cup cozy that I make. I do have a video for how to make this, and I will put it in the description box below. It's called the Hey Joe Coffee Cozy, but this is the houndstooth pattern in the middle here, and then I'm also creating a stocking right now, and I'm using houndstooth in it as well. And when I started crocheting and I saw this, I thought it was going to be something really difficult that I'd never be able to do, but it's actually so simple. So let me just show you really quick. It's just a 2-row repeat. I'm working on another stocking here, so I'll just show you as I go. So what you want to do when you are working on the houndstooth pattern, you want to make sure that you have multiples of 2, and you want to use 2 colors so that it really shows up well, the contrast there. So you'll work in multiples of 2, so you'll either chain, multiples of 2, or do it in the round. I've actually never done it straight across. I've always done it in the round. And I did a sweater like that too. But so basically what you do is you start with your first color, and you're going to chain 1 if you're in the round. And then you just do a single crochet into the very first stitch, and then you do a double crochet in the next stitch, and then a single crochet in the next, and a double in the next. And that's literally the pattern. And then you switch it when you do the next row. You start with a double crochet and then go to a single, so you know that you're doing singles on top of doubles and doubles on top of singles. So like my row before here, this was the double crochet here, so I do a single into the top of that, and then here was the single from the row before, so I do a double into that. But you don't even have to really know that, because just the way you do the pattern, your first row, you start with a single and then you go to doubles. So you do that all the way around. Single, double, single, double, single, double. Oops. I'll do mine around, and then I'll come back and show you how to do the second round. Okay, I just finished my last double. So on the first round, when you're starting with the single crochet, you'll always end with a double. And then make sure you slip stitch into the very first stitch, not the chain, but that very first stitch. And then you're going to pull, you're going to pull your second color through. And the nice thing about houndstooth is that you can, you just leave your yarns on here. You don't have to cut them after every round or anything, because it just works up the inside, so nobody will see it. Alright, so for the second round, you chain 2 to start the second round, and right in that same stitch, you're going to do a double crochet. So for round 2, you start with a double, and then you do a single into the next, and then a double, and then a single, and that's it. That's the whole pattern. And you can kind of tell where you're supposed to go, because like this, that's where you'll put your single, and then you can tell the double is going to go into like it's like a little bit of a bigger hole, if you can see that. But if you just do the pattern single, double for the first round, and double, single for the second, then you will just be fine. And that's it. That's how you do the houndstooth stitch, and it shows up like this. And when you do the second row that you start with a double, you're going to end with a single. So that's it. I hope this was helpful. If you'd like to leave a comment, let me know how it worked for you. That would be great. Or if you'd like to subscribe or like the video, I would be greatly appreciative of that. And I will have a lot more coming soon. Thank you. Have a great day.